Hello guys, welcome back to Luxio Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to register a TVS dot matrix printer for warranty service. Go to Google and search TVS Electronics Service. Then open the link Service for Customers. You will be redirected to the service page. Warranty registration, service request and status. Here I need to request an on-site service for my printer. Select the service request option and enter the product details or serial number. Now you can see the product details such as serial number, description, warranty type and current warranty status. Scroll down to the problem details area. Now just select the issue category and subcategory. Then type your problem in the customer voice box. Then click Submit. Enter the CAPTCHA verification. Now you will get a case ID from TVS service team. Keep the case ID or reference number for future clarification. If you found any mistake in warranty status while checking the details by entering the serial number, then we need to register the product to get service under warranty conditions. You need to send the invoice details to the service customer section. For updating warranty status, save this WhatsApp number 74488042001 and send your printer invoice copy as PDF to this number along with the message. Need to update the warranty. After 2 or 3 hours, your warranty will be updated. After updating the warranty, do the previous steps to register the service. After submitting, you will get the case ID. Please keep the ID for future reference. All the links and contact details are given in the description box. Hope this video will help to solve your issue. Leave a comment if you have any doubts. Please share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable the bell icon to get all notifications from future videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video and have a nice day.